What's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today again we will learn how to do color grading in VN There are a lot of filters and effects in VN but today we are going to learn the top 3 filters in VN These filters are usually made for cinematographer and vlogger. So bhaiya for that filter, at first you have to download the LUTs which is given in my description. Click the link and follow the instruction what I have said. After clicking the links, NSB pictures will be open. This filter credit goes to the NSB pictures. Then scroll down and click on download LUTs option. After downloading the LUTs, open it with VN Then select the new folder and create the filter library. Now we have successfully imported the LUTs. Now you can see it on the library option. LUT 1 and LUT 2 is for winter blue tone color grading and LUT 3 is for nature color grading. You can use it according to your video. After that, add the video that you want to color grade. I have added this one video. Delete the watermark of VN otherwise it will appear in the last of your video. So bhaiya ji, after adding the video, select that added video and click on filter option. Select the filter that you have recently added. I personally like LUT 2 filter. LUT 1 and LUT 2 is for winter blue tone and LUT 3 is for natural cinematic color grading. Choose the filter according to your video. After choosing the filter, adjust it with adjustment option. I have kept 80% opacity of the filter. After that, bhaiya ji, go to adjustment option. First, exposure. Modify the exposure level to control the amount of light. I have kept it -10. Then contrast and brightness. Adjust the overall brightness and contrast of your video to make it visual clear and more dynamic. I have kept contrast +15 and brightness -10. After that, saturation and vibrance. It helps to change the intensity of color in the video to make it more beautiful and vivid. I have simply kept vibrance +15. After that, temperature. Minus is for cold and plus is for warmer. Use it according to your video. I haven't used these features. After temperature, HSL. HSL stands for hue, saturation and luminance. HSL adjustments are very powerful tools which allows you to control and thin the tone of your color. You can use HSL adjustment to correct unwanted color, cast, ensuring accurate color respiration in your video. But I haven't used these features. You can use it according to your video. After that, vignettes. It is used to highlight the subject of your video by creating a contrast between the well-lit center and the darkened surrounding area. And also it is used for natural framing by darken the edges. After that, sharpen. Sharpening is important because video can sometimes lose a bit of sharpness during capturing and compressing. Sharpening helps to bring out the finer details and texture in a video, which makes more visual appealing and realistic. After sharpen, it is time for hue. By using these features, you can change one color to another while maintaining the overall brightness and saturation of the video. After that, highlights. By using these features, you can control the brightness of highlights to create a balanced and well-exposed video. It helps a video to look more natural and easier on the eyes. After that, shadows. It helps to bring out the details. Adjusting the brightness of shadow can help to create a balanced and well-exposed video. Increasing shadow brightness can reveal more details in darkened areas. After shadow, last one. Noise reduction. It is not usually used. I do not use these features. If you want to add these features, you can. It helps to analyze the video frame and identify the areas where the noise is present. After adjusting everything, export it with high resolution.